Hi everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps, and today I'm going to show you how to knit the rosette stitch. This stitch pattern has a 4-row repeat, and you can work it over any number of stitches. The first row and the third row, both of the right side rows, are just knitting every stitch. So I've actually just finished the first row of the repeat, and now I'm going to show you the second row where you make the actual rosettes. First we're going to knit one, and then we're going to make the actual rosettes, which are purl 2 together and knit 2 together over the same 2 stitches. So let's do the first half, bring the yarn to the front, and purl 2 together. Okay, but now we still want to work into these same 2 stitches, so we're not going to take them off the left needle yet. Instead, we're going to move the yarn to the back, and we're going to knit these same 2 stitches together. So you can see we had 2 stitches here, and now we've made 2 stitches. We purled 2 together and we knit 2 together. So you don't have any sort of increase or decrease. It's just working 2 stitches at a time, but you work them twice. So again, bring the yarn to the front, purl 2 together. Don't take them off the left needle. Instead, bring the yarn to the back and knit those same 2 stitches together. And we're going to keep doing this all the way down the row. And because I'm working with an odd number of stitches, that will take me all the way to the end. If you are working an even number of stitches, you'll have one left over at the end, which you can just knit. Now row 3 is a right side row, so we're just going to knit every stitch across. In row 4, we do the pattern stitch again, but this time we want to offset it by 1 stitch, and that's why this is a 4-row repeat and not a 2-row repeat. So last time we started with 1 knit stitch. This time we're not going to do that 1 knit stitch. We're going to just start right away with the rosettes, and that'll move. Last time we worked over these 2 stitches, so now we'll be working over these 2 stitches. So that'll give us that offset of 1 stitch. Now again, I'm working with an odd number here, which means this time around I'm going to have 1 stitch left at the end, and I will just knit that. If I was working with an even number of stitches, then I can do the rosettes all the way to the end and not have anything left over that needs to be knit. So again, I'm purling 2 together. Oops, I split the yarn there. I am purling 2 together, and then I don't take them off the left needle, and then I'm knitting those same 2 together. Last time, and then I will fast forward, purl 2 together, knit those same 2 together. And that's really all there is to it. Once you finish this row, that's the end of the repeat. So the first row you're going to knit, the second row you're going to knit 1 and then do the little rosettes, the purl 2 together, knit 2 together part all the way across. And then the third row you'll knit, and then the fourth row you do the same thing, you just don't start with the knit 1. So you do the purl 2 together, knit 2 together all the way across. If you have an extra stitch left over at the end, just knit it. And that way you can do this on any number of stitches that you like, odd or even, and you'll get a great texture. And there we have the rosette stitch. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.